Wait, stop right here. You didn't find this video by accident. This video found you, and that means something. Maybe you've been feeling lost, stuck, or searching for a sign. Maybe you've been asking for a message, waiting for a moment that changes everything. Well, this is it. This is your moment. But the question is, will you pay attention? Or will you keep scrolling, ignoring the very thing you were meant to see? Stay, listen. Because what you're about to hear might be exactly what you need. You are here for a reason. Life has a way of sending us messages, but most people are too busy, too distracted to notice them. But you stayed, and that means deep inside you know this is not random. Think about the moments in your life when things just seem to align. The times when you met the right person at the right time, when an opportunity appeared just when you needed it, or when a simple word changed your entire perspective. These are not coincidences. They are signs. The universe, life, or whatever you believe in is always speaking to you. And right now, it's speaking through this message. There is something you need to hear, something you need to understand. You have been looking for answers, searching for clarity, and now, here you are. Maybe this is the push you need. Maybe this is the moment that shifts everything. But signs alone mean nothing unless you recognize them and take action, so don't ignore this one. Pay attention. Keep listening. Because the message you need is coming. I know life hasn't been easy. I know you've been carrying things that no one else sees. The doubts, the fears, the moments when you wonder if you're even on the right path. It can feel unfair, like you're stuck in a storm with no way out. But listen, what if I told you that every struggle, every challenge, every painful moment wasn't meant to break you, but to shape you? What if everything you've been through was preparing you for something greater? You may not see it yet, but your struggles are not random. They are the fire that is forging your strength, the lessons that are building your wisdom. Think about the hardest times in your past. You survived them, and because of that, you are no longer the same person. You are stronger, wiser, more resilient. You have been tested, but you have not been defeated. And if you made it through those storms, you can make it through this one too. The road may not be easy, but it is leading you somewhere. Trust it. Trust yourself. You are meant for more, and this is just the beginning. You may not feel it right now, but deep inside you carry a strength greater than you realize. Think about every challenge, every hardship, every difficult day you have faced. You have been through moments that felt impossible, nights that felt endless, days when you wanted to give up. But you didn't. You are still here. That alone proves something powerful. You are stronger than you think. Strength isn't about never struggling. It's about standing back up when life knocks you down. It's about pushing forward even when everything inside you screams to quit. It's about taking one more step when your legs feel weak, believing in yourself even when doubt creeps in. Life will test you. It will throw storms your way. But remember this, no storm lasts forever. And every storm you've faced has only made you wiser, tougher, more resilient. There is a reason you are still standing. You have been built for this. You have the heart of a warrior, even if you don't see it yet. And warriors don't give up. So stop doubting yourself. Stop questioning your ability to overcome. You are capable of so much more than you believe. Whatever is ahead of you, you can handle it, because you always have. Keep going. Your strength is far greater than you know. Your past is not who you are. It may have shaped you, it may have taught you, but it does not define you. Too often we carry the weight of our past like a burden we can never put down. The mistakes, the regrets, the things we wish we could change, it all sits heavy on our shoulders. But listen to me carefully. You do not have to be who you were yesterday. Every single day is a new chance, a new beginning. You are not the person you were a year ago, a month ago, or even yesterday. Growth is happening inside you, even if you don't see it. Maybe you've made mistakes. We all have. Maybe you've failed. That's part of life. Maybe you've been hurt so deeply that you don't know if you'll ever feel whole again. But the truth is, your past is only a chapter in your story. It is not the whole book. You get to decide what happens next. The future is unwritten, and you hold the pen. You don't have to keep repeating old patterns. You don't have to carry old pain. You don't have to live under the shadow of things you cannot change. What matters is what you do now. The power to rewrite your life has always been in your hands. So let go. Let go of who you used to be. Let go of the guilt, the shame, the fear that has held you back for so long. You deserve to move forward. You deserve to be free. And today, right now, is the moment you decide to step into the future without the weight of the past holding you down. Your story is still being written. Make it one you're proud of. No one is coming to save you. That may sound harsh, but it's the truth. The life you want, the person you dream of becoming, the future you imagine, it's all in your hands. No one else can change your life for you. No one else can take the steps you need to take. It's easy to wait for the right moment, the right circumstances, or for someone to come and fix everything. But waiting won't get you anywhere. The truth is, you are in control. Every choice you make, every action you take, is shaping your future. If you don't like where you are right now, decide to change it. If you feel stuck, take the first step forward. If fear is holding you back, push through it. Because at the end of the day, your life is your responsibility. No one is going to hand you success, happiness, or fulfillment. You have to go out and create it. And the best part? You can. You have everything within you to build the life you want. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Stop waiting. Stop making excuses. Stop thinking you're not capable. You are, and it starts now. You don't have to change everything overnight. You don't have to have it all figured out, but you do have to start. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they need the perfect plan before they take action. They wait until they feel ready, until the timing is right, until everything lines up. But the truth is, waiting keeps you stuck. Progress comes from action, small, simple steps taken every single day. Think about it. Every great success, every big transformation started with a single decision, a small effort, a simple habit repeated over time. It's not about giant leaps, it's about consistency. One small step today can completely change your future. Reading one page of a book, taking a 10-minute walk, choosing to believe in yourself for one more day. These things might seem small, but they add up. And before you know it, those tiny steps turn into massive progress. So, don't get overwhelmed. Don't think about how far you have to go. Just take one step. One action, one decision, one moment of courage. That's all it takes to start. And once you start, you build momentum. Keep going, keep moving, because every small step forward is leading you to something greater. Your future is waiting. Take the first step today. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the strongest, happiest, most successful version of yourself. The person who has overcome every obstacle, who didn't give up when things got tough, who kept pushing forward no matter what. That version of you is real. It already exists inside you. But here's the question. Are you living in a way that brings you closer to becoming that person? Or are you holding yourself back? Your mind is powerful. The way you see yourself shapes your reality. If you believe you are weak, you will act weak. If you believe you are capable, you will take action. Your thoughts create your future. So stop seeing yourself as someone who is stuck, lost, or not good enough. Start seeing yourself as someone who is growing, learning, and becoming unstoppable. Every time you make a decision, ask yourself, what would my best self do? Would they give up, or would they fight for their dreams? Would they let fear win, or would they take the risk? You already know the answer. The person you want to be is waiting for you. All you have to do is start acting like them. Today. There will never be a perfect time. There will never be a moment when you feel 100% ready. If you keep waiting for the right circumstances, for fear to disappear, for everything to fall into place, you will wait forever. The only time you have is now. Right now is the moment that matters. Right now is the moment that can change everything. Think about it. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? How many times have you let doubt, fear, or procrastination steal your future? You can't get those moments back, but you can choose to stop wasting time. You can decide that today is the day you take control. No more waiting, no more excuses, no more putting your life on hold. Your future is not built in some distant one day. It's built today in the actions you take right now. No matter how small the step is, take it. Move forward. Do something. Because every moment you wait is a moment you will never get back. The time is now. Your future starts today. If this video found you, it's because you were meant to hear this. This is your wake-up call, your reminder that you are stronger than your struggles, greater than your fears, and capable of more than you have ever believed. You have spent too long doubting yourself, waiting for the right moment, holding yourself back. But no more. This is your time. No more excuses, no more waiting for life to change. You are the one who must change. Everything you need is already inside you. The strength, the courage, the ability to rise above anything that has tried to break you. The road ahead won't be easy, but you are not here for easy. You are here for growth, for purpose, for something bigger than the life you've been settling for. So take the step, make the decision, choose to believe in yourself, even when it's hard. This is not the end of your story. This is the beginning of something greater. And one day you will look back on this moment and realize it all started here. It started when you decided to stop waiting and start becoming the person you were meant to be. Go. Your future is waiting.